Starting to budget can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. But fear not. With a few simple steps, you can gain control over your finances. Let's demystify the process and set you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about understanding your money and making it work for you. First things first, let's break down your cash flow. List all your income sources from your main job to any side hustles. Next, track every expense for a month. Yes, every single one, from rent to that morning coffee. This will give you a clear picture of where your money goes. It might surprise you how small purchases add up. Don't judge yourself. This is just the starting line. Now, with your income and expenses laid out, create categories like housing, food, and entertainment. Allocate a portion of your income to each category, starting with essentials. Be realistic. If you enjoy dining out, don't allocate all your fun money to books. The key is balance. There are plenty of budgeting tools and apps to help you divide and conquer. Pick one that suits you best. The real challenge is sticking to your budget. It takes discipline, but it's not about perfection. If you overspend in one category, adjust another to compensate. Unexpected expenses will arise. When they do, tweak your budget. It's a living document, not set in stone. Regular check-ins are crucial. Set aside time each week to review and adjust as needed. This will keep you on track and help you spot trends. Budgeting is a journey, not a sprint. It's about making informed choices, not deprivation. Celebrate small victories and learn from missteps. Over time, you'll find a rhythm that works for you. Embrace the process and watch as your financial confidence grows. You've got this.